Hey, Abby. Hey, Elmo.
Hi, Alan.
Wow, that is a pretty nifty birdhouse you have there.
Oh, thanks, Alan. Elmo and Abby made it so the neighborhood birdies can be comfy and cozy.
Yeah, it's a birdie dream house, and it's fabulous!
Well, I love it. And I am so proud of you both for being such good neighbors and caring about your community.
Aw, thanks, Alan. It's just a little something for the birdies.
Oh, but even a little something helps. And we can all do things to take care of our community.
Well, Elmo loves helping around the neighborhood. Oh, that's why Elmo's in the Little Neighbors Club.
Hey, yo! Word in the sky is that a new birdhouse just opened up.
That's right, little birdie. We built this birdhouse just for you.
Wow! This is roomy. I think I'm gonna like it in this neighborhood.
Looks like we have a new member of the Little Neighbors Club.
Oh, welcome home, Birdie, complete with fly.
Okay, what's the password?